Good morning, everyone. We are here at the Indo-Myanmar border, and we are riding from Singapore to India. We started on 15th of August, and we are finishing today on 18th of September. And we started from Singapore. We went to Kuala Lumpur. After Kuala Lumpur, we went to an island called Penang. After Penang, we crossed the borders towards Thailand. We got into a bike festival called Betong Bike Week. After Betong Bike Week, we went to Phuket. After Phuket, we went to Surat Thani. Surat Thani is the closest place to Koh Samui. After Koh Samui, we went to outskirts of Bangkok. That place is called Kanchanaburi. After Kanchanaburi, we went to the Sukhothai. After Sukhothai, we went to the border town called Mae Sot. After Mae Sot, we went to another town. We crossed the borders towards Tak, and we got into Myanmar. After Myanmar, we crossed Myanmar, and now we are at the Indo-Myanmar border. So I have someone who has ridden these 4,000 kilometers in the Bearskin Jutis. Look at that. He rides his motorcycle in these Jutis. And I would want to introduce you to Mr. Bhanu Pratap Singh Raghav.
Hi guys, I'm Bhanu, and it's a very proud moment right now. Once you enter your country after 5 nations, 4 nations, it just feels good, right? So,
and see, that's the bridge behind us. So the white part is the India part, and the yellow part is the Myanmar part.
They call it the Iron Bridge apparently.
Yes.
It's made of iron obviously, but still it's very obvious that they call it the Iron Bridge, so yeah.
So the river crosses, river divides both the countries. Usually, every part of the world, the rivers are the boundaries between the countries. And about these, there are 78 bridges which we have crossed yesterday just to come to India. And this bridge was made by Japanese and the British Army when they were fighting the World War II.
Yeah, in the World War II, yes. And they're all very, so half of them are only of iron, then a few have logs, like split pieces of wood on them. So I think it's really cool, yeah. It's quite an experiential road, and we've had a lot of fun. And the cooler part is that from day one, everybody was riding with us, that is. And other than that also, the other riders that we met, they were all surprised that, why would you ride in Jutis? And I was like, wear them and feel them and you'll know why I would ride in Jutis. They're just comfortable. Like, it's not, it's alright. It's good to wear your boots and shoes and all that. But Jutis are really comfortable, plus they're airy. And I think, yeah, and plus if you're wearing a jacket, like a leather jacket to complement it, it's just the whole look. And Bearskin makes it, definitely. So, in fact, talking about these jackets, when I went, you always go shopping before you leave for a trip. When I went shopping, in my head basically, I couldn't believe it, the amount of colors and the amount of variations in their styles and designs. It's brilliant. I don't think I've seen that in any other brand as of now. They have colors like the regular black and brown, obviously, which is with everybody.
Black, brown.
The cooler colors are the wine, which is really unusual. Maybe it will not suit my skin tone, but if you're fairer, it will look brilliant. And then they have a charcoal grey, which is also unusual. I bought one of those also. And then they've got a burnished red, which is also a very, very, I think it's a very in color, in the sense that now that burnished red tan feel is really, really on. And black and browns are sort of vintage.
Vintage.
We are also almost vintage now.
No, I'm not. He's vintage. And okay, so you see my camo bag here. This bag is my favorite because I love camo. I've opened my camo t-shirt though, which I was wearing. Because I wanted to wear the India t-shirt, India flag t-shirt. So I have a set of camo these things from Bearskin. Oh yes. I love these bags. These bags are really cool. I tie one of these bags in the other backpack, which is also camo, on my motorcycle, and the other stuff which we keep in the backup car. So I keep my important stuff in this one. I cover them with the waterproof things and I carry it. Again, it's so stylish. And again, the coolest part, it has a laptop case as well, which keeps my laptop and the hard disk and everything safe. So look at that. It's the swag we have.
Look at this though then.
Oh yes, he has Indian flag here.
Yeah, we've got India all over us.
Yes, India all over us, and I think it's a great movement. I've traveled between Singapore, Kuala Lumpur, Thailand, Myanmar in this trip, but frankly, India gives the right sense. India gives the belonging. I don't know, the food we ate last night, I had parathas.
Oh yeah.
After a month, I had parathas. Like this was I'll share a couple of pictures with you when him riding on AH1 with the Mojudis, with the bearskin and the Vogonau Mojudis, and I'm riding with these black jacket and the other products also. So look at, I mean, I'll also share pictures with where we eating food. Couple of videos we have shot. We'll share that. So it's a good moment for all the bikers. I would recommend this ride from on AH1, which connects Singapore to India. It's a tough one, making the highway, and they'll take some, I think, 2 years. Myanmar will be fastest because there is no corruption. On both the sides, there is a lot of corruption. Thailand and India, of course. So, in fact, if I talk about the ride, we started from the best road and we came to worst. And worst was not Myanmar. Worst is about to come. That is India. So, from Manipur, we are getting into Nagaland. And Nagaland has really bad roads. Kohima towards Dimapur, we are crossing towards Assam.
But as a true Indian and a patron for my country, I'd like to tell you that if AH1 is in this condition, then we are not allowed to crib about national highways in our country at all. So Myanmar is really cool, all right, pretty witty, everything is taken care of. But you see a 20-lane highway in a city, Nepitong, all right, and you feel, dude, आगे तो बहुत सही सीन होने वाला है ना कि मतलब अभी तो हाईवे ऐसा मिलेगा कि बाप रे बाप, better than Malaysia, and then suddenly you hit the highway and 30 kilometers later you find so that is AH1 for you. And I think, yeah, I always crib about Jaipur Delhi highway कि यार कुछ नहीं है वो नहीं Jaipur Delhi highway जिंदाबाद, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. So yeah.
So these are our motorcycles which we were riding. These two, they are the 390cc motorcycles from Bajaj, and I will just show you. Oh, okay, I'll show you this board also, which is broken. Come, let us take them to the bridge also. It says, "Hey, I'm from Angola. I love shoes from Bogana." Oh yes, they're really cool, man. They have these leather black shoes which are really comfortable, which I usually wear when I ride. See, it says, "Welcome to India. Obey traffic rules." Also, the funny thing, Siraji, ki haal hai? कहाँ से आ रहे हैं Siraji? मोरे से आ रहे हैं क्या? फौज में आप?
हाँ, फौज में
लग रहे हैं फौजी. BRTF आपका फुल फॉर्म क्या है?
अरे अपने नहीं ये ग्रिप नहीं, ये अपने जो रोड बनाते हैं
बॉर्डर BRO वाले जो बॉर्डर क्यों? ओह ओके. So he is the one who is making the roads, and जो इंडो म्यांमार रोड जो बनाई है इन्होंने, that is one of the best roads. So from यहाँ से Tamu is a town which is next to the border. Tamu के बाद जो अगला टाउन है वो है मोरे. तो मोरे से इंडिया की जो रोड बनाई है वो बहुत ज़बरदस्त रोड है, तो वो इन्होंने बनाई है. थैंक यू ब्राजी, इट वाज अ गुड मोमेंट. सो वेट, आई शो यू मोर. आई टेक यू टू म्यांमार in fact, and see, this is the road I am referring to. It says India Myanmar Friendship Road. This is made by these guys. Bro is not our bro, it's the Border Road Organization, and that's the river which divides the country, and that is the bridge. So let's go to the bridge. We can at least go to the India part. We can't get into Burma.
कहीं भी एग्जाम मेरे पास पासपोर्ट होल्डर है.
Oh, okay. So one more thing.
पासपोर्ट दिखाने
He has this passport holder, which is a leather, very smart passport holder. Every traveler should have this.
Oh yes, and it fits.
The passport really well. So see, both the passports are here because we are at the border. We should carry both
And
of
a
them.
few papers for your visa.
Few papers
XYZ,
also.
everything.
So this is also by Bearskin. Again, the leather thing. Okay, the passport again is very important for you. The most important document. You have to keep it safe. So it's safe and smart. So this is the way you can keep it. It's safe and smart.
On Delhi airport, an Italian asked me, "What brand holder is this?" So he was, I mean, Italian asking you for a leather product means this has to have something in it, right? So yeah, nice.
So see, that's the bridge. Let's go. So see this. This guy is stopping them and asking them for papers. Here we are. So this white is India and yellow is Myanmar. I am standing in India and Bhanu is standing in Myanmar. That's the thing. See.
I am, by the way, 1 hour ahead of you now.
Oh yes. Look at these jutis like everywhere. What is with this Rajasthani and the juti swag and bearskin? But yeah. So this is the cool part, and yes, the boys are back in the country from the long ride of 4,000 kilometers from Singapore to India. And for any experiences you want to ask, any questions you have, just my name is Nikhil Kashyap. Find me on Facebook, Nikhil Kashyap. Find me on Instagram, Nikhil Kashyap 0. Twitter, Nikhil Kashyap 0. Snapchat, Nikhil Kashyap 0. The handle remains the same, but ask me questions about the journey, the ride, the road, the cultures, the food. And otherwise, we have a lot of videos which Bearskin will, Voga now will share it on the platform soon. And anything else?
Not really. Maat tujhe salam.
Ma tujhe salam. So welcome to India. I wear India on me, and I wear Bearskin to add the swag to the Indian boys and the bikers, of course. And the cool part is, in Myanmar, you have to ride on the right side, and as you come on this road, you have to ride on the left hand side. So yeah, that's the thing. That's the Manipur car which is going, and the bikes coming from there is all this one. So we are off. Thank you for this session, and keep buying the products. Keep giving us the feedback on the Bearskin products and the jackets and the shoes and the classy attitude and the leather, the finish, everything.
Thank you. Bye.